In today's video, I'll guide you through the top 5 sites for free tree assets in landscape design. Introducing the first website, andrewmarsh.com, curated by Dr. Andrew Marsh. This innovative web application allows you to dynamically create both abstract and realistic procedural 3D trees, ideal for integration with BIM, building information modeling, and building performance analysis. After generating your desired trees, delve into analyzing dynamic shading effects. Plus, you have the flexibility to export trees as geometry or generate code for seamless integration into BIM models or scripts. Furthermore, andrewmarsh.com serves as an invaluable visual test suite, allowing you to stress test tree geometry generation code across various conditions and configurations. Experience the power of interactive tree generation and analysis with this cutting-edge platform. Next up, we have landscapearchitecture.store, your go-to destination for free trees to elevate your landscape renderings. Dive into a treasure trove of PSD trees, PNG trees, and brushes designed specifically for landscape and architecture renderings. What's more, this website regularly updates its collection of free design assets on a monthly basis, ensuring you always have access to fresh and high-quality resources. But that's not all. Store goes the extra mile by offering free tutorials to help you master the art of using these trees to enhance your renderings. Now let's explore the third option, my.dk, offering free PNG elevation trees. Dive into a collection of high-quality PNG trees with transparent backgrounds, perfect for enhancing visualizations, sections, and diagrams in landscape architecture, or urban planning projects. It's important to note that while these trees are freely available for use, my.dk emphasizes that your project should remain the primary focus. These trees are intended to be integrated into your designs, rather than used as standalone images or for advertising purposes. With my.dk, elevate your projects with stunning tree elements while maintaining the integrity of your design focus. Moving on to our fourth option, we have FreePick, a renowned image bank website offering a diverse range of content, including photographs, illustrations, and vector images. While primarily known for its vast collection of graphics, FreePick also provides free PNG trees for your design projects. It's worth noting that while FreePick offers an extensive selection of trees, the styles may vary, providing a wide range of options to suit different design aesthetics. Lastly, let's explore the fifth option, freecads.com, your hub for FreeCAD tree blocks. This comprehensive website provides a vast array of CAD blocks for architectural design, encompassing everything from furniture and doors to windows, animals, and, of course, landscape trees. In the previous video, I also highlighted 10 websites offering free cutout people in trees, as well as 7 best free websites for architecture mapping. You can find the links to these resources in the video description below. Feel free to explore them at your convenience and enhance your design projects with even more valuable assets. Happy designing!